everyone, and welcome back to the Jack and Julie podcast channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Julie.
Hello, Julie. Hello, everyone. I'm Jack. It's great to be here.
We are very happy you are joining us today.
That's right. Today we have a very useful lesson for beginners.
Yes, today we are talking about 99 daily use English sentences for beginners.
These are simple sentences that people use every day.
You can use them at home, at school, at work, in a shop, or when talking with friends.
And don't worry if your English is not perfect.
That's right. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Practice a little every day.
And soon you will feel more confident.
Julie, what does confident mean?
Good question. Confident means you believe in yourself.
Exactly. And we believe in you.
Let's get started.
Sentence number 1. Good morning.
We say good morning when we meet someone in the morning.
Example. Good morning, Julie.
Good morning, Jack.
Sentence number 2. Good afternoon.
Example. Good afternoon, everyone.
Sentence number 3. Good evening.
We use it in the evening when we meet people.
Sentence number 4. Good night.
We usually say this before sleeping.
Good night, Julie.
Good night, Jack.
Sentence number 5. How are you?
This is one of the most common questions in English.
Example. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Sentence number 6. I'm fine, thank you.
Simple and useful.
Sentence number 7. What is your name?
Example. What is your name?
My name is Jack.
Sentence number 8. My name is...
My name is Jack.
My name is Julie.
Sentence number 9. Nice to meet you.
We say this when meeting someone for the first time.
Nice to meet you, Julie.
Nice to meet you too.
Sentence number 10. Where are you from?
Example. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Wonderful.
Sentence number 11. I am from...
I am from England.
Sentence number 12. How old are you?
A very common question.
Sentence number 13. I am 20 years old.
Of course, you can change the number.
Exactly.
Sentence number 14. What do you do?
This means, what job do you have?
Sentence number 15. I am a student.
Sentence number 16. I am a teacher.
Great examples.
Sentence number 17. Can you help me?
This sentence is very important.
Imagine you are in a store.
You can say, can you help me?
Sentence number 18. Sure, I can help you.
Friendly and useful.
Sentence number 19. Thank you.
A very important sentence.
Sentence number 20. You're welcome.
Fantastic.
Julie, do you remember learning these basic sentences?
Yes, I do. When I learned a new language, I used these simple sentences every day.
Really?
Yes. At first, I felt nervous.
What does nervous mean?
Nervous means a little worried or afraid.
That's a helpful explanation.
But after practice, I became more comfortable.
That's true for many learners.
Before we continue, if you are enjoying this lesson, please like the video.
And subscribe to the channel.
Also, share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Let's continue.
Sentence number 21. Excuse me.
We use this to get someone's attention.
Example. Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Sentence number 22. I'm sorry.
We use this when we make a mistake.
Sentence number 23. No problem.
A friendly answer.
Sentence number 24. I understand.
Sentence number 25. I don't understand.
Very useful for learners.
If you don't understand, don't stay silent.
Exactly. You can say, I don't understand.
Sentence number 26. Can you repeat that?
This means, please say it again.
Sentence number 27. Please speak slowly.
I love this sentence.
Me too.
Native speakers often speak fast.
That's true.
Sentence number 28. How do you spell that?
Very useful when learning new words.
Sentence number 29. What does that mean?
Excellent question for learners.
Sentence number 30. Can you explain it?
Wonderful.
Now let's talk about daily life.
Good idea.
Sentence number 31. I'm hungry.
Sentence number 32. I'm thirsty.
Hungry means you want food.
Thirsty means you want water or a drink.
Sentence number 33. Let's eat.
Sentence number 34. This is delicious.
Wow, I love that sentence.
Me too.
Sentence number 35. Can I have some water?
Very useful in a restaurant.
Sentence number 36. I would like a coffee.
Sentence number 37. The food is good.
Sentence number 38. I'm full.
Full means you do not want more food.
Sentence number 39. What time is it?
Sentence number 40. It's 7 o'clock.
Great job, everyone.
Let's continue with home and family.
Sentence number 41. I'm at home.
Sentence number 42. I'm going to work.
Sentence number 43. I'm going to school.
Sentence number 44. See you later.
Sentence number 45. Have a nice day.
Such a friendly sentence.
Sentence number 46. How was your day?
Example. How was your day, Jack?
It was great, thank you.
Sentence number 47. I'm tired.
Sentence number 48. I need some rest.
Sentence number 49. I'm ready.
Sentence number 50. Let's go.
Fantastic! We have reached 50 sentences already.
That's amazing.
And remember, learning English does not happen in one day.
Small steps are important.
Practice a few sentences every day.
If you are finding this lesson helpful, please like the video
Subscribe to the channel for more English lessons.
and share this episode with a friend.
Now let's continue with shopping and travel.
Sentence number 51. How much is this?
Very useful in a store.
Sentence number 52. It's too expensive.
Sentence number 53. Do you have a smaller size?
Sentence number 54. I'll take it.
Sentence number 55. Can I pay by card?
Sentence number 56. Where is the restroom?
Everyone should know this sentence.
I agree.
Sentence number 57. Where is the bus stop?
Sentence number 58. I'm looking for this address.
Sentence number 59. Can you show me on the map?
Sentence number 60. How long does it take?
Very practical.
Let's talk about friends and conversations.
Sounds good.
Sentence number 61. What are you doing?
Sentence number 62. I'm busy.
Sentence number 63. I'm free.
Busy means you have many things to do.
Free means you have time.
Sentence number 64. Would you like to join us?
Sentence number 65. That sounds great.
Sentence number 66. Maybe next time.
Sentence number 67. I agree.
Sentence number 68. I don't agree.
Sentence number 69. That's a good idea.
Sentence number 70. Really?
I use that one a lot.
Me too.
Really?
Yes, really.
That's funny.
Here's a short story.
Great.
One day, my friend invited me to a picnic.
Nice.
She said, "Would you like to join us?"
That's sentence 64.
Exactly.
What did you say?
I said, that sounds great.
That's sentence 65.
Yes, simple sentences help us communicate every day.
Good point.
Now let's continue.
Sentence number 71. What's your favorite food?
Sentence number 72. I like pizza.
Sentence number 73. I love music.
Sentence number 74. What do you think?
Sentence number 75. I think it's good.
Wonderful.
Now let's look at useful classroom sentences.
Good idea.
Sentence number 76. May I come in?
Sentence number 77. May I ask a question?
Sentence number 78. Can you help me with this?
Sentence number 79. I finished my work.
Sentence number 80. I need more time.
These are very useful for students.
Absolutely.
Let's learn more daily expressions.
Sentence number 81. I'm happy.
Sentence number 82. I'm sad.
Sentence number 83. I'm excited.
What does excited mean, Jack?
Excited means very happy and eager about something.
That's easy to understand.
Sentence number 84. I'm worried.
Sentence number 85. Everything is okay.
Sentence number 86. Don't worry.
I love that sentence.
Me too.
Many learners worry about mistakes.
But mistakes help us learn.
Exactly.
If you are enjoying today's podcast, don't forget to like the video.
Subscribe to the channel for more beginner English lessons.
And share this lesson with family and friends.
Let's finish our list.
Sentence number 87. What happened?
Sentence number 88. Are you okay?
Sentence number 89. I feel better now.
Sentence number 90. That's wonderful.
Sentence number 91. See you tomorrow.
Sentence number 92. Call me later.
Sentence number 93. I will try.
Sentence number 94. Good luck.
Sentence number 95. You can do it.
Such a motivating sentence.
Yes, you can do it.
Sentence number 96. Keep practicing.
Sentence number 97. I learned something new today.
Sentence number 98. Thank you for listening.
And finally, sentence number 99. Have a wonderful day.
Congratulations, everyone.
You have learned 99 useful English sentences.
That's a big achievement.
Now let's do a practice section.
Great idea.
Listeners, answer these questions aloud.
Don't be shy.
Question 1. What is your name?
Pause and answer.
Question 2. Where are you from?
Very good.
Question 3. How are you today?
Excellent.
Question 4. What is your favorite food?
Nice.
Question 5. What do you do? Are you a student or do you have a job?
Wonderful.
Question 6. What time do you usually wake up?
Great practice.
Question 7. What do you like to do in your free time?
Fantastic.
Question 8. What English sentence from today will you use this week?
That's a very good question.
I agree.
Let me ask one more.
Go ahead.
Can you say these 3 sentences?
Which ones?
Can you help me?
Good.
I don't understand.
Excellent.
Please speak slowly.
Perfect.
These 3 sentences are very important for English learners.
Absolutely.
Before we finish, let's review a few common mistakes.
Good idea.
Some learners say, I fine.
The correct sentence is, I am fine.
Some learners say, what your name?
The correct sentence is, what is your name?
Some learners say, I no understand.
The correct sentence is, I don't understand.
Very simple corrections.
And very useful.
Remember, grammar becomes easier with practice.
Don't try to be perfect.
Just keep speaking.
Even a few minutes every day can help.
That's true.
I remember one student who practiced 5 minutes every morning.
Really?
Yes, she learned a few sentences each day.
Then what happened?
After a few months, she could have simple conversations in English.
Wow, that's inspiring.
The secret was consistency.
What does consistency mean?
Consistency means doing something regularly.
That's a great word.
Practice regularly and you will improve.
Exactly.
Let's summarize today's lesson.
Today we learned 99 daily use English sentences for beginners.
We practiced greetings,
Instructions,
asking for help,
shopping sentences,
travel sentences,
classroom sentences,
feelings and emotions.
and many useful expressions for everyday life.
Remember, learning English is a journey.
Be patient with yourself.
Celebrate small progress.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Keep practicing every day.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.
Share this podcast with friends who are learning English.
And now, our comment question of the day.
Which of the 99 sentences will you use first?
Write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read it.
Thank you so much for listening.
Take care, keep learning, and keep smiling.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.